This 2019 Entegra Coach Odyssey 26D is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, DVD player, Skylight, stove-top burner, carbon monoxide detector, oven, external shower, microwave, self-contained, slide-out, water heater. The floor plan layout of this Class C features outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Entegra Coach Odyssey 26D is built on a Ford 450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.